Hi there, Vinnie from Project Frugal. This car needs a wiper blade. We're going to show you how to do it on the cheap. Follow me. So we got this wiper blade here. It is pretty much stuffed, and you can see it here. It's just hanging on by a scratch or by a thread. So we're going to go and get a replacement, but we're not paying $46 or however much we can get one for. We're going to see if we can get one second hand. There's a little clip in here. We've just got to lift this out somehow so it comes out. And then we'll hook that down, and then we'll twist that around, maybe. And then he was just sort of pulling it up straight on that. Stupid flipping wiper blade. Okay, oh right, okay, so that's where it was. Okay. Okay, right, that's it. Right, and then that should just slide out, okay.
I can hear a goat.
Oh, hang on, what have we got here? This one looks like it needs replacing as well.
Wow, look at the olives. We've got quite a few.
So there is a bit of a backstory to this. Originally I bought two wiper blades from Ripco. They cost $96. This is for a Nissan Note 2008 model. Pretty expensive. I was expecting to pay maybe $20 or $30, maybe $50, $60 all up. $94, that's pretty expensive. The competition in New Zealand, Super Cheap Autos, even more expensive. I mean, yes, they might be good blades and all that, and they might last a long time, but let's face it, this car is not exactly top-of-the-line sports car. It's a $3,000 second-hand car. So here we go. Here's the wiper blades that Ripco were offering. It's this one here. We didn't need a back wiper, which was fortunate. $48 for the driver's side one, $48 for the passenger side one, which is slightly smaller. So that's a total of $96. Now, if we have a look at the equivalent from Super Cheap Autos, $100. That's right, $100. We didn't pay that. We paid $16. Nice. There must have been a better option. There were wiper refills available, but you could only buy a 10-pack, and that was looking like over $100. I'm never going to use a whole bunch of wiper refills, let's face it. So the next best option, can I get some second-hand? And that's exactly what we did.
Alright.
Yep.
All good. And no tower parts going in there, brother?
No.
Awesome. All good?
Thank you.
Hey, brother. Hey, Rob. What car are we at today?
Aha. That one looked familiar. They look rusty as. Yeah. Righty ho, we've got our parts. 565 for the small one and 135 for the big one. Time to pay. Right, so we just got to get these ones off somehow. Okay, that's it. Right, so I want to match that up the same side, inside, and on there. Okay, that should just slide on. Yeah, that's it. Same on the other side. So that's literally all there is to it. We've got our replaced. These are our old ones, obviously. This one was, well, this one's coming away. Plus the things all sort of broken in here. And we'll keep the parts. And this one here was broken at the end, so it's really just about dead. We'll just give it one test with the wipers before we leave here, because you never know. And we'll check the back wiper as well. Okay, well that seems to be okay.
Okay.
There you have it. Instead of paying $94, we paid a total sum of $14. That was $2 to get entry into pick apart, $6 each for the wiper blades, and that's about it. So $94 minus $14, saving of $80. No worries.